Hello, I am back with my second video for the evening, and I have switched wigs. I do not know the exact style of this Raquel Welch piece because it was a gift to me from one of my friends in the wig groups. I think from the cap style it's probably Miles of Style, and I think that the color is shaded cream. I mean, it's such a, oh, there's my bio hair. You don't see that. It is such a lovely piece, though. I wish I could get brave and wear it out, but I just love wearing it around the house. Or for video chats with my friends that know I wear wigs. It is, look at that lace front. It's impeccable. Anyway, so I wanted to talk about the water dyeing fail with the human hair Raquel Welch piece that I was gifted, which I'm still going to wear it. Probably around Halloween or maybe just, whenever I'm feeling it. But I dyed this Neon Sunset from Sally's. And actually, I'm going to pause this and go get the dye that I used because I bought an extra one. Alright, I'm back. So I got this semi-permanent hair color in the color, in the color Neon Sunset, which is probably backwards from you guys. Neon Electric Sunset, and it's a really lovely shade of like peachy, like orangey peach. I don't know, but I love the color that it turned out. Let me turn this ring light up a little bit so you can see it. It's so lovely. Anyway, so if you look up the water dyeing wig method on YouTube, it works really well with human hair wigs. You just mix the dye with boiling water and then dip the wig in, which I've tried it before with another piece, but and that actually turned out pretty good. That had a completely different cap than what this has. So I don't know what style this is, but the hair's not bad. So when I tried to water dye this Raquel Welch one, it melted the adhesive that was holding the lace front to the mono top. So if you can see, oh, come on, camera. Okay, let me see. That fixed it. I probably could have tried to glue it, but anyway, I just sewed it up with some clear plastic quilting thread and a teeny tiny needle, so I can still wear it. Maybe I should have put this on before for the video, but then I couldn't show you the cap as well because I don't want to show off my patches from the last hair pulling episode I had, which was like 2 days ago. So someday I'll get brave enough to show that. Today is not that day. So anyway, when I tried to water dye this Raquel Welch wig that has the lace front glued to the mono top, it melted it. I was able to salvage it by sewing it. So do not water dye any wigs that are medical grade replacements. I mean, I think John Renault sonically welds their lace front to their mono top, so I don't know if that would, do the same thing, but I wouldn't risk it, because that lace front, like, I might give this a shot to wear it out. It is really pretty. I haven't styled it. I just put some silicone on it. I think I want to wash it though because the dye is kind of, all I did was rinse the dye out. So it still feels like there's some buildup of product on the wig. But anyway, this is the color that I used. I think in the future, the next time I dye one of my blonde human hair wigs, I do want to be very specific that this is a human hair wig that I did this with. And water dyeing is where you mix the semi-permanent dye with boiling hot water, and you dip the human hair wig in. You can only do this with human hair. It's not going to work on synthetic hair. But this is the color, which is, you know, I love the shade. I feel like I could use it to cosplay Lilu from The Fifth Element or something, you know, if I weighed like 30 pounds less. But anyway, just don't even do it. Like, this case, the first time I did it with like a lace cap, it turned out fine. I did it with one of these medical replacement caps where the lace fronts, you know, glued on to the mono top, and it was not good. So that's the end result that I got. Another reason why I put a different wig on was because I wanted to take my Milano Lace Grip wig off, or Lace Wig Grip off, and show it to you. I'm telling you, in my experience, Milano, stick with the name brand. That's been the one that holds the best. Again, I do not have water on standby like I should for these videos. But anyway, this thing's been amazing with my John Renault Kim. I am actually going to style her in a messy bun and see how that turns out for me. Now that I have this wig grip, I'll probably have to do that with the wig grip and the wig tapes that I showed in my other videos, because of the fact that when you have an updo like that, it puts more weight on the wig cap, so it tends to slide back more. But you can do messy buns with the hand-tied caps. It doesn't have to have special ventilation. And oh, the one last thing I want to talk about is I found this really great detangler for my human hair wigs. And I don't know if you can read it. It's the Hask Manoi Coconut Oil 5-in-1 leave-in spray. And this is way better than the other one that I was using. I mean, I do have the argan oil from John Renault, but it's not like you can use that every day. That would just be way too heavy. But it has really good ingredients. There's like a little bit of silicone in it, but like coconut and argan are way higher up on the list. Like, I think, what do they say, the first 5 ingredients are the majority of the product. So water, glycerin, gardenia something, flower extract, which is the Manoi, whatever, however you say that, coconut, and argan oil. Those are the first 5 ingredients. I think it has really helped my Kim. My Kim definitely feels a lot less dry since I've been using it. Anyway, that's all that I wanted to say. Everybody stay well out there and have a great night or day whenever you're watching this.